How are you? Fine. Today I am going to take one more topic from 10th class, and topic name is the functional group. Under this topic we discuss the different functional group of carbon. But before going to start, you have to subscribe our YouTube channel, press bell icon for getting notification. Now, student, today's topic functional group, and we are going to discuss the different functional group of carbon. Let's see one by one. Here I am mentioning some name. These are the functional group. One more is there. That is the alcohol. Yes. Now one by one. First, alkane. General formula CnH2n plus 2. Next, alkene. General formula CnH2n. Next, alkyne. General formula CnH2n minus 2. And some specific functional groups are there. One, carboxylic acid, and that is represented by RCOOH. The next one, the aldehyde, it is represented by RC double bond O, then H. This is representation. One more way is there, that is RCHO. The next one, the ketone, it is represented by RC double bond O, then R. R may be the same, R may be the different. It may be the different, like this. And finally, the alcohol, and alcohol represented by ROH. Now one by one we discuss alkane, alkene, alkyne and other specific functional group. Let's see. Student, first alkane. Alkane, and second one alkene, and third one alkyne. These are the series of the carbon, and they are generally represented by the first alkane represented by CnH2n plus 2, alkene represented by CnH2n, and alkyne represented by CnH2n minus 2. Actually, alkene means what? If the carbon 4 valency satisfied by only single bond, that time we call the compound belonging to the alkene, like this. You are watching here. All the 4 valency of carbon, they are satisfied by single bond. You are watching here, all are the single bond. And the formula C2H6 or CH4 or C3H8, these are all belonging to the alkane. If the carbon 4 valence is not satisfied by single bond and they are satisfied by double bond, that time we say the carbon belonging to alkene, and their general formula CnH2n. If here I am showing you, you are watching here, the 4 valency of the carbon, they are not satisfied by the single bond, they are satisfied by double bond. Here you are watching at one double bond. valency 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. If this pattern we observe in any organic compound, that means the compound belonging to the alkene. Example, C2H4. C2H4. And same way, the higher members are there. This criteria you have to observe. The next category, the alkyne. General formula CnH2n minus 2. Here the carbon 4 valency not satisfied by double bond or single bond, but it is satisfied by triple bond. Like this. Carbon, triple bond, then carbon. Like this. Example, C2H2. That means acetylene. It means the alkane are those organic compounds where the carbon 4 valency is satisfied by single bond. Alkene are those organic unsaturated hydrocarbons whose carbon valency is satisfied by double bond. And alkynes are those hydrocarbons, unsaturated hydrocarbons, whose carbon 4 valency satisfied by triple bond. In this way, these are categorized in different categories. Now, student, here we go to the different formula of the alkane and alkyne, and how